Very good morning to everyone. In this lecture, EC8652 Wireless Communication, Unit 2 Cellular Architecture. In previous classes, we are studied the multiple access techniques in the cellular network, and also what are the parameters are used to frequency reuse pattern and channel assignment, and also the hand up procedures, and also the interference and capacity calculations. Now today we are going to discuss about the trunking and grade of services. In a cellular communication, that is a cellular mobile communication, the two important aspect that has to be considered with more care. So number one, trunking. Number two, grade of services. These aspects are have to be well planned so that it will lead to better system performance. Now I will discuss the trunking. The trunking deals with the accommodation of large number of mobile users in minimum radius spectrum. By using this trunking concept, it is possible to allow many users to share small number of mobile channels in a cell. In a, it is done by assigning channels on demand basics and allocating a channel from a pool of channels available. That is, if an user want to access a channel for establishing a cell, then from the pool of channels the required channel will be assigned to user. Once the call progress is terminated at the end of the call, then the channel user used so far will return to the pool and will be ready for any next new access to come. The trunking concept find application in telephone circuit, mobile radio communication in a large way. For designing truncated radio system that is capable of handling a particular capacity at a grade of service. Some fundamental points regarding the trunking theory is required. It was developed by the mathematics in 19th century. The concept of accommodating the large user with limited services was deal. The amount of traffic intensity that is carried by one channel is expressed as one yearling. For example, if a mobile radio channels were occupied for 15 minutes for an hour, then it is said to be traffic intensity is equal to 1 divided by 4 is equal to 0.25. Thus trunking is a made concept used to improve the system efficiency. Also, the term grade of services is closely linked with the representation of the grade of services. Now we can move to the grade of services. The grade of service is another important measure that expresses the ability of mobile user to access the truncated system mainly in the busted hours of the day. The busiest hour of day is statistically studied and considered as a 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. on the Thursday and Friday of a week. The busiest hour is also decided with respect to customer demand in a particular hours. The linked system performance is defined by its grade of service only if there is a truncated system permit it user to access. If even in the busiest hour, then a truncated system is said to be an ideal system. To meet out an approximate grade of services, the estimation of the maximum channel capacity required for allocating the h number of radio channels in the design is must. The grade of service also measure of conjunction that is specified as a probability of delayed calls, that is a delayed calls beyond a time limit. The calls required rate multiplied with the holding time has to be equal to the traffic intensity which is offered by as a user. If the traffic intensity is generated, that is a lambda into h, that is a lambda is a average number of calls request or unit time of for an user, and h is a average call durations. In this case, if the traffic is distributed equally among all the channels, then the traffic intensity of a single channels, so the truncated systems, that is a AC is equal to NAU divided by C, that is a number of user in truncated system with an unspecified number of channels. Then there are two different category of trunking services or trunking system is available. Number one, trunking system with no queue for call request, that is a queuing, that is a queuing system for call request, and the queuing provision of holding calls that are blocked. So the grade of service parameter will be different for the various cellular system. For example, the advanced mobile phone system cellular system is mainly designed of grade of services of 2% blocking status, which is implies that 2 calls out of 100 calls allocated will be blocked. The two broad classes of truncated radio system is also called as a lost call cleared and lost call delayed system. So in this trunking and grade of system, what are the different interference types of interference? The type 1 and type 2. The type 1 is a number of questions for call request. So the user will be given immediate access to radio channels. And number type 2, if a truncated system is a queue is followed for maintaining the all call request, and it is delay will be introduced. So the last call cleared system is queuing is allowed for the call request made. If a user want to service, it will be served in the case of availability of channel within a minimum time. Otherwise the call will blocked, there is no channel availability to assign. The grade of service is described is expressing the probability of user experienced block call status in the last call cleared system. And then the second last call delayed system, the queues are made used to hold the call request which were initially blocked. In this type of user, it make a call request, it will served if a channel is available, or if the channel is not available, that moment the call will be delayed till the channel become available. It is determined by the grade of services in this system will express the probability of the delaying time for the call. There is a large number of user available in the second type. Thus the truncated system, there are lot of calls cleared and the last call delayed, and the second type of truncating system is widely used. So in this session, we are clearly discussed the trunking and grade of services, and analysis the important terms related to trunking and grade of. So the grade of is services measured of conjunction, which is a probability of calls which is being blocked, and also the requested rate, and also the call loaded, and the setup and the holding times. Now In next session we are going to discuss the how to improve the coverage capacity and cellular system capacity. Thank you for watching this video.